In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Fresha on Wix. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive in. First, make sure you're at your computer and open up your preferred web browser. You're going to navigate straight to Fresha's website. If you've used it before, this should be easy, but if not, just type Fresha into your search engine and click on the first official link you see. Now, once you're on the Fresha platform, it's time to log in. Use your credentials to access your account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're familiar with the layout. Within your dashboard, you'll need to locate the online booking section. This might be nestled within a menu or clearly displayed on the main page, depending on updates and your personalized setup. After clicking into online booking, you'll see an option for something called the link builder. This is a nifty tool that's going to help us generate the booking link we'll need for Wix. So, go ahead and select that option. The link builder will prompt you to customize this link. You can tailor it to specific services or create a universal link for your entire range of offerings. It's entirely up to you and your business needs. Once you're satisfied with the customization, you'll want to find and click the Create Link button. This will generate the exact link you'll need. When your link is generated, there should be an option to copy it directly. This is important. Make sure you copy the link to your clipboard because we'll need it in just a moment in the Wix editor. Now let's switch gears over to Wix to create the booking button. Log into your Wix account and open the editor for the website where you're planning to add this new booking feature. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side panel and click on Add. From the menu that appears, select Button and choose a style that aligns with your website's theme and aesthetics. Click on the button you've just added and a range of settings should appear. We're interested in linking this button to your Fresha booking link, so look for the section labeled Settings. Within the settings, find the link icon or the option to Choose a Link. This action will allow you to select Web Address. Go ahead and choose that option. Now in the field provided, you're going to paste the Fresha booking link that you copied earlier. Double-check that there are no spaces or typos in the link to ensure it works correctly. Finally, you need to save your Wix site. Simply click the Save button in the top right corner to make the button live on your site. This ensures that when visitors click the button, they will be directed to your Fresha booking page seamlessly. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated Fresha with your Wix site, providing an easy and professional way for clients to book your services online.